Welcome to Temescal Valley, one of Corona's most sought after neighborhoods. I'm here at one of my newest listings. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, move-in ready house. The reason I'm standing outside is because I'm in an entertainer's dream. The backyard is everything you're looking for. This is a built-in barbecue island that I'm standing under. You have a ton of open space. You can expand on the fire pit in the corner. You can also put an ADU out here for some passive income or an additional place for your family. A swimming pool is always a possibility in Temescal Valley. Put your own imagination out here. Let's go inside and see the rest of the house.